Hey, this came up today. We're talking about character through diction. Diction, by which I mean the choice of words, vocabulary, syntax, length of sentences, to reveal a character's background or education or sometimes point of view, slang, that kind of thing. The choice of words to illustrate character. And what you're looking for is consistency. You want the character's diction to be consistent from the beginning of the show to the end of the show, unless he or she changes or is trying to act out of his or her character. So here's a fairly clean illustration of a phrase which steps out of the character's diction. So let's look at the queen, Hammeh. She's 3,000 years old and is royalty. So she speaks in slightly heightened language. You will never be able to be further than a cobra's length from each other. This ensures no one will stray, not that you would want to. Let's skip down here. Anctifi, get over here. Lord Disselthwaite, you shall act as witness. Now, I admit, this is not the princess I expected, but the gods must see something I cannot. So it's slightly elevated and educated, except for, I wonder if you have found this on your own, this here, get over here. Do you see, just on the face of it, just the shape of it, it's shorter than the rest, but it also has a more contemporary ring to it. So I would suggest here's a tip. If you look at your script once it's done and take a pass where all you're doing is looking at one character, and go from line to line to line to line to line, and just say and read just that character's dialogue, and see if you can punch it up, or drop the G's, or put in some slang, or erudite it up, or shorten the sentences, or lengthen this, whatever his or her particular diction is, bigger words, shorter words, and see whether phrases like "get over here" stand out, and if so, take another shot at them.